Good morning, students. This is the continuation of the application of derivative, tangent and normal. Some more questions I will tell of the tangent and normals. Exercise 7.2 of application of derivative. You can see there is a question number 11. A curve is given y is equal to 3x square minus 5. You have to find the point on this curve. Point on this curve at which the tangent is perpendicular to the line. अब line नहीं दी गई है, but consider a line whose slope is -1/3. यानी इस लाइन का स्लोप. तो अगर हम फिगर को बनाएं तो एक सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द कर्व एंड दिस इज द टेंजेंट. ओके, एंड टेंजेंट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द लाइन. अब कोई लाइन होगी कहीं पे, ये लाइन है. इस द स्लोप ऑफ दिस लाइन इज -1/3. तो कैन यू गेट द स्लोप ऑफ दिस टेंजेंट? यस, स्लोप ऑफ, according to the figure, slope of tangent is equal to because these two are perpendicular to each other, therefore you apply the condition of perpendicularity. m1 m2 is equal to -1. Okay, so the slope will be 3 of the tangent, -1/1/3. तो minus minus plus 3 ऊपर, so slope will be 3, or you can say the -1/-1/3. this is equal to 3. Now you know the slope, and what is this? This is the dy by dx. okay, भाई slope क्या होता है? Slope is the first derivative of the curve is called the slope. Now you have the equation 1. You differentiate this one, you will get again dy by dx. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 6x. Can you say that this dy by dx and this dy by dx both are equal? Yes, because this is also the slope of the tangent and this is also the slope of the tangent of the same. You make according to question, you can write the 6x according to question. 6x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 1/2. Both slopes are equal. Now you have the value of x as 1/2. Now how to get the value of y? Because you have to find the point on the curve at which the tangent touches the curve. Use the equation number 1. Y is equal to, now we put x in equation 1. 3x square minus 5. You put here 3 into 1/4 minus 5, or 3/4, 4 5s 20, means -17/4 LCM. After getting this value, you don't leave here because you have to find the point. This will consider as a point, and the point is 1/2, -17/4. This is the point. Answer. So this is the way to find the point on the curve. There are so many questions in which you have to find the point. One more question I will tell, that is question number 13. You can note down because it is very important that during the pandemic, this pandemic, no one is going to school, and also your teaching also affected, but we are trying, the teachers are trying to teach you through the online and explaining all the things about the topic. It depends on you that you are taking the knowledge, means gaining the knowledge or not. Question number 13. It is given, find the points on the curve x square plus, फिर से उसी तरह से है, at which the tangent lines are parallel to the line y at which the each one of that each tangent at each one of which is parallel to the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. You can understand the question. This is the curve. You have to find the point on the curve, on this curve, at which the tangent, because this is the equation of the circle, and how many tangents you can draw in a circle? At most only 2 tangents, means maximum 2 tangents you can draw from the outside से निकाले जा सकता है, अदरवाइज इनसाइड से. एंड दिस टेंजेंट, इनमें से हर एक पैरेलल टू द लाइन 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. If we make the one curve, that is circle, and this is the tangent, this tangent is parallel to this line, ये कहा जा रहा है. How means if you find the equation of this slope of this line, you can get the slope of this tangent. तो अगर हम इसका स्लोप निकालें, स्लोप ऑफ लाइन, हाउ टू फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन? 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 7, तो y is equal to minus 2/3. कोई भी ऑर्डिनरी वे से निकाल सकते हैं, इन द क्लास 9 and 10 you have read. So this is the slope. So m is equal to minus 2/3. So what is the slope of tangent? Can you tell? Because 2 lines are parallel, so condition of parallelism, m1 is equal to m2, means both will be same, minus 2/3. Clear? Now this slope is also represent the dy by dx. हमने बताया था कि फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव इसी का, ये जो स्लोप है, इस कर्व को अगर डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो minus 2/3 आना चाहिए. Means you have to differentiate this equation number 1. So differentiate. plus 2y dy by dx. How to differentiate? In chapter 5 you have read, is equal to 0. Then 2y dy by dx minus 2x, or dy by dx minus x upon y. And this slope dy by dx and this slope both are equal. So according to question, minus x by y is equal to minus 2y. So 3x is equal to 2y you can say, or x is equal to 2y by 3. Here, after getting the x is equal to 2y by 3, how to find the point? अभी हमने बताया, जब x की वैल्यू मिल गई तो you put in the equation number 1, you will get the value of y. So putting the value of x in equation number 1. Now we put x in equation 1, ये वाली. So 2y by 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 30. Simplify. 4y square, then take LCM, and after taking LCM you will get 13y square by 9 is equal to 30. Then y square is equal to 9 or y is equal to plus minus 3 under root. After taking the under root, you can find the value of x. From where? The value of x, as you know, the value of x is 2y by 3. तो इसमें हम y की वैल्यू 3 एंड माइनस 3 रख दो. तो एट y इज इक्वल टू 3, x इज इक्वल टू 2. एट y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3, x विल बी माइनस 2. तो ये पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे. देयर विल बी 2 पॉइंट्स, क्योंकि हमारे सामने सर्कल है एंड इन द सर्कल वी गेट द 2 टेंजेंट्स. तो जो लाइन है हो सकता है कि कहीं और पे मिल रही हो. तो इन दिस केस द एट y इज इक्वल टू 3, x इज इक्वल टू मीन्स 2, 3 is 1 point. So points are these are the points. So you can get the value. Now the one more question in which you have to find the value of the equation of the tangent. How to find the equation of the tangent? Suppose question number 14, it is started from the question number 14, 15, 16. In these the equation of tangents and equation of normals. I take the one question number 17. First part, second part. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x is equal to sine 3t and y is equal to cos 2t at t is equal to pi by 4. यानी you can get the point. t की वैल्यू pi by 4 इसमें रखी, वैल्यू हमें निकल आएगी. बट before that you have to find the dy by dx. How to find the dy by dx? Both the equations are in parametric form. Differentiate 1 and 2 with respect to time. So dx upon dt 3 cos 3t and dy by dt minus 2 sin 2t. Then put the value, because the dy by dx. Find the dy by dx. Yesterday I told the formula dt by dx. Put the value minus 2 sin 2t and upon, because it is dt by dx and dx by dt, so take the reciprocal, 3 cos 3t. This is the dy by dx. After finding the dy by dx, put the value of t is equal to pi by 4 in both the equations to get the x1 and y1, and dy by dx also here you put the t. So on putting the t is equal to pi by 4, x1 is equal to, it is the sine 3t, so sine 3 into pi by 4. And what is the sine 3 pi by 4? 135. 135. Sine 135. Sine 135 means 90 plus 45. Cos 40. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. And what is the y1? Is cos 2t. So cos 2 into t means pi by 4. 2 2s are pi by 2, that is 0. Okay, cos 90. And what is the value of this dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4? So minus 2 sine 2 into pi by 4 and 3 cos 3 into pi by 4. Do you know the value of sine pi by 2? That is 1. So minus 2 into 1 divided by cos 135, 90 plus 45 minus 3 into 1 by root 2. तो ये आ जाएगा 2 root 2 by 3. This is the value of dy by dx. And after finding these values, you know the equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx x minus x1. Put in this equation. So y minus, what is y1? 0. dy by dx 2 root 2 by 3 and x minus 1 by root 2. And simplify, which you can take LCM inside the bracket. 3 multiply here, 3y is equal to 2 root 2 and x root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Root 2 cancel. So 3y is equal to 2 root 2 x minus 2. This is the equation of tangent. So by this way, you can do some more questions of this exercise. I'll end up this part, this video, and next video I will explain some more questions of the same exercise. So do practice, and at your home only. Don't go out. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.